Okay, now that we have our Skeleton application, we can start by creating the first controller. Let's go inside this com.cyberwaste.schoolmanager package and create a new package. Remember to do not use the default package. If you are going to create something outside this folder, it will be a problem for Spring Boot to recognize that you are trying to create something to use. Now, let's create a new package, call this controller, and inside of this folder, we can create something like student controller. Okay, now if you want to tell to the Spring Boot container to use this student controller and to make this component a controller, you must use this annotation, rest controller. Now Spring will know that he needs to use this class as a controller, and you can use different methods to map your request. So for example, we can use getMapping and write our method. We are going with this simple example and return hello. This is super simple. Here you don't use anything, and inside of this getMapping there's a default argument that you can use to define your route. So now we're going with getMapping hello, just to create a simple example. If you click on play, you'll see that your application will start as usual. And now if you go on your browser and you click on localhost 8080, if you use the default path, you'll see the error because we don't have anything for this route. Now you can use this path hello, and as you can see we have hello.